बस जल बोले तो बाबू बाल काट।
यार
अरे बाप रे,
अरे बाप रे क्या कर रहे हो तुम?
कटिंग कर रहा बाबू थी।
मैं गुस्सा हूँ।
गुस्सा हूँ? क्यों गुस्सा
मैं
हूँ?
मारूंगा तुमको।
मैं तो मारेंगे।
मैं तुम्हारी कटिंग करूंगा। मैं बहुत डरा हूँ। मुझे तुम मैं कटिंग करने नहीं दूंगा।
Hello everyone, I am Neeraj.
And I am Ruchika, and today Neeraj is going to get a haircut. So he is in Namaste Canada Hair Salon. So how are you feeling, Neeraj?
I am feeling a little anxious and I don't know what is going to happen with my hair because Ruchika is going to cut these hair and she has got all her weapons ready and let's see how she does that.
Let's start.
So first she is combing my hair in the pattern that I need those to be cut. She is an expert hairdresser by now, I hope, because she has tried at least 3-4 times and I expect this haircut to be really good, but I am also worried at the same time. By the way, she is using this Remington trimmer or hair designer, whatever that machine you can call it, and she is using that 3x4 inch blade on it to cut my hair to 18mm length. So we are very particular in our measurements and everything. So my hair after using this trimmer will be of 18mm length on the sides at least.
So I'm done with his one side. I'm partially done actually, and now I'm doing from the back, and then I'll return back to that side with a smaller blade.
So you just have to run the trimmer of fixed size through the hair to trim them to the same length.
So I'm done with the back side now. So here I am on the left side. I don't have a long wire, so Neeraj is tilting his head so that I can reach out to his left side. So you can cut the hair from the side.
This is the most dreadful part because Ruchika can cut my ear really.
No, I won't. Don't worry. Just trust me.
My heart is beating faster now. I want to believe you, but it's really my senses don't believe you. My senses do not allow me to believe you.
You should trust me. I won't hurt you.
I want to, but as I told, my senses don't allow me to believe you. नीरज के बाल मत काटो.
तुम्हारे पापा का क्या नाम है?
मैं मारूंगा तुम्हें, मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ अभी.
मैं तुम्हारे बाल काट दूंगा.
मैं तुम्हारे बाल काट दूंगा. अरे यार क्या कर रहे हो तुम? ओह शिट. अरे बाल मत काटो ना, बोला है तुम्हें.
अरे तुम अभी भी काट रहे हो. So he has some long hair at the back. I just want to cut this short, and then I think I'll just use scissors afterwards.
So she is moving the trimmer. We use 3/4 trimmer for the head, and that reduces the size to 75%. Now we'll use 1/4 for this side locks, and 1/4 means that this will be reduced to 25% of their length, which is pretty nice, I hope. And then I'll also shave myself. So our barber doesn't know how to put this. So our very experienced barber. So if you have to come to this Namaste Canada Saloon, be very careful. This barber doesn't know how to put this. I have to put it for her.
Let me try harder. I have done this.
Finally.
So now I'm cleaning up his neck with my makeup brush. and he might be feeling so good. How are you feeling, Neeraj?
I'm more worried about my hairstyle.
You will be very happy. You are going to get the best haircut today.
I hope so. It really looks Kona Mona at this time. यार इतना ऊपर ना कर तू तो मेरा बुरा हाल कर देंगी इस हिसाब ਨਾਲ.
I'll make you feel beautiful.
She is very clever. She just wants herself to look beautiful, and that's why there is for every beautiful girl there is another friend. So she is less beautiful than her beautiful friend. So she wants to make me that friend. That I look bad and she looks. That's why she will look beautiful in contrast.
No, I am making him beautiful by giving a beautiful haircut.
I can only hope for that.
So now I think you're good from the back of your neck. Now I just need to check out from the front side and let me clean up. How are you feeling?
I am that less beautiful friend. You can imagine that.
I think you are good. We just need to trim this little down. So now Neeraj is looking at the mirror. So I want to ask you, Neeraj, how are you feeling now?
It's good. It's better than my expectations. So Ruchika is really doing a good job. You should give a clap to her. Very nice. But you will not get any money. Don't worry. Okay.
At least you can buy a makeup brush for me.
We will see in the distant future, as I told. So guys, this was the way to get the cheapest haircut in Canada. Just if you're married, catch your wife, ask her to watch some YouTube videos, and then she'll cut your hair. If you are not married, catch your friend, sister, brother, mother, father, anyone, and then you can get your hair cut free of cost. Thank you.
So let's
I'm modeling right now. It's really good. Thank you. Now the haircut is done. I am going to shave now, and after shaving we'll see how finally I look. Sure. So guys, finally I have done my shaving. So this is how I look. I like the haircut. Ruchika did a very good job.
Thank you. So this is very important to be safe. So I think doing haircut at home during quarantine is very important because safety is must, and moreover it is the cheapest thing we can do at home.
Yeah.
If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Stay tuned.